Welcome to the Fumble. I'm Crystal Marine. Though one was injured for 5 of the 6 games, arguably 2 of the best ball handlers in the league reached the NBA Finals. Stephen Curry of the Golden State Warriors and the Cleveland Cavaliers' Kyrie Irving. Now more than ever, with the pace and space, drive and kick offenses in vogue, the ability to take space off the dribble is being hungrily sought out by NBA scouts. So, to celebrate perhaps the most impressive overall season across the league in terms of handles, let's enjoy the top crossovers of the 2014-2015 regular season.
Curry, which way did he go? Bruising ankles, and he goes as he goes to the hole to finish it off. 86 inning. Which way did he go? I don't know. Oh, he's at the basket. Curry.
Iguodala puts a move on Dellavedova behind the back to Lee. What a play!
Andre Iguodala, the beautiful in and out and behind the back pass. Thought maybe he got himself into trouble by attacking with no place to go.
Walker. And he's got to hit the 3 on that one.
Cross him up.
Pull up and shoot the 3 and did that right before the half. Or he could drive on it. Points, 10 assists and 9 rebounds.
And a little shimmy shake for Harden afterwards. This one making Ricky Rubio.
Curry inline shakes ball out of his boots and hits a fallaway jump shot.
Back, knock it down, and the bench is loving it. Coming at Chris Paul, takes it out under the basket, and suddenly goes 2 times behind his back to leave Paul on the ground, and then finish.
Crispy crosses and terrifying turnarounds featuring some usual suspects and some unlikely characters. I hope you enjoyed. For more sports news, visit us at thefumble.com.